Hi guys, this is Avinash Sharma, and in this session we will discuss the string underscore AGG means string aggregate function in MS SQL Server. String aggregate function. String aggregate function. This function concatenate the rows of strings. It means the value of the columns in multiple rows, and it makes a single string separated by the specified symbol like the comma or hyphen. So you can choose any separator for joining the strings. So as you can see in the syntax, we have expression, separator and the order clause. Order clause means it is defined in the square bracket. It means this is optional. So we'll check all this one with the practical. Now we check the practical of the string aggregate function with the practical. So we have a table that is the employee and we check the data in the employee. So we have the data first name, last name, male, country and the age. Suppose we want to display the values of this first name as a single value separated by the some symbol say hyphen using the string aggregate function. So select then string ag and name of the column say first name, then comma and separator say hyphen list names, then from. Now if we check this one, so we have the value single value from the first name column, and that value has been joined with the separator, that is the hyphen, and so we can use the multiple column. Say string then male comma hyphen as male list. So now we are joining the value of the two columns. So we check this one. Male list and the list. So this is how you can join the value of the multiple row in a single column value. Now suppose we need the list of the names in ascending order or descending order. So we need to sort the data. So we can use the order by say order clause. That is optional. But in case of the sorting the data, we can use this one. So select string is first name, then within group. Say within group order by first name. Now we check this one. So we have the data in ascending order. Means the name starting from the alphabet A comes first. And suppose if we make it say descending. So by default it's say ascending and say descending. So this is how we can sort the list of the first name by using the order by clause. Suppose we need to concatenate the strings of some particular column, say email, first name and last name, the country wise. So we can use the group by clause here. Say from employee, then group by country, and we can use this one country because now it's an aggregate column. If we check this one, so we have the list country wise. So for the this one Brazil we have one, then Mexico one, again Russian we have the multiple. So guys, this was all about the string aggregate function in SQL Server. Thanks for watching the video.